Opening into the home, the living room introduces a sense of simplicity, where every element serves both form and function. A metal back mandir engraved with the Om symbol forms a serene focal point, seamlessly paired with the concealed storage. This balcony is imagined as a pause from the indoors, a space to unwind, relax, and reconnect. This kitchen pairs a soothing green palette with smart storage, creating a space that's both functional and refreshing. Designed for their son and daughter who lives abroad, this bedroom focuses on smart storage solutions. A sofa cum bed with a well-planned wardrobe to keep the space open and flexible, and a study table paired with the display shelves that showcase cherished family memories during their visits. Moving ahead, we enter the master bedroom, envisioned as a space of quiet comfort and understated elegance. The master bedroom is detailed with wooden rafters, customized wallpaper, and a soft green hues that create a serene atmosphere. Wooden rafters define the space while discreetly concealing the bathroom behind a hidden door. Thank you for watching. Designed and executed by Satya Makers Interior Design Studio.